Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2019 GMC Yukon XL SLT 4-wheel drive, stock number X686XX. 13,000 miles on this Yukon. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Quicksilver Metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Seats 8, leather interior, dual DVD players overhead, rear climate control, as well as heated outboard middle row seats. Push of a button on the inside of the doorway, seats will fold flat. Push again will tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, backup camera and rear parking sensors. Trailering package behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Power folding third row seats and power fold and tumble second row. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Running bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and power adjustable pedals put you in that perfect driving position. Moonroof, shift and the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Start. Large, easy to read gauges. That's also where you set the forward collision alert. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And this is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control along with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power adjustable liftgate control. Under the hood, this Yukon XL has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 14 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.